My easy Mexi-Mince recipe is a family-friendly dish that's quick to prepare and super versatile. Add the mince to a hot pan. I'm going to brown it by breaking it up with a potato masher until it's nice and crumbly. When the mince is evenly browned, add the prepared vegetables, chopped onion, and whatever seasonal veg you're adding to the dish. When the vegetables have cooked down for a while and they're looking nice and soft, add the spices. Add the tinned tomatoes and a good dollop of tomato sauce, about 1/4 cup. Stir in the beef stock and then season with salt and pepper. Let the mixture cook down and simmer until it's reduced, looking thick, and then you can stir in the black beans. They don't need to be cooked because they're already cooked, they just need to heat through. My easy Mexi-Mince recipe makes great nachos. It's terrific in a burrito or enchiladas. Try it with rice and a salad and some sour cream. But for even more inspiration, head on over to recipes.co.nz.